So guys, for the first method, you want to make sure that your camera is actually plugged in, and then you want to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this on the left hand side, you want to click on privacy and security. And then you want to scroll down until you find camera. You want to click on camera. Make sure that you have camera access turned on, and make sure that you have it turned on for the application that you want to use it for. You also want to make sure that you have Let Desktop Apps Access Your Camera also turned on. And then you want to head over to search and type in Device Manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on your computer name. And then you want to click on Action, and then click on Scan Hardware Changes. And then your camera should appear. And now for the second method, you want to try to install your camera manually. Now this may not work, but it's worth a try. So you want to click on your computer name, and then you want to click on Action, and then click on Add Legacy Hardware. And now you want to click on Next, and then you want to click on Install the hardware that I manually select from a list. And then click on Next again, and then click on Cameras, and then click on Next. And if you have a disk, you want to click on Have Disk, and you want to insert the manufacturer's installation disk, or you could click on Browse, and then you can set where you want to copy the manufacturer's files from. And then once you locate that, you want to click on OK, and then click on Next and follow the steps to install it. And now for the third method, you want to type in the name of your camera into any web browser, and then you want to search for the drivers online and install it. You could also try restarting your computer, and then hopefully the first method that you completed will fix your